Hey, welcome back to Homeworks. Today I'm not going to go over anything in particular. However, I am going to give you a preview of some of the upcoming videos that I'm currently working on. One of them is a complete fire pit patio rebuild from, well, you'll just have to see. Because the old fire pit was really sad. Another one that I'm currently working on is our complete lawn leveling, reseeding, and just pretty much everything you could possibly do to a yard is happening here. Yet another video is about getting rid of weeds in your lawn. That's using different products that are on the market. One of my main products I use is a product called Tenacity, and I will explain that in an upcoming video. And since everyone has weeds in their lawn, you're going to really appreciate that video a lot. Another video I'm working on is yard leveling, and that's where I'm going to be using the yard leveling rake that I built in a previous video and show you how to completely level your yard so it doesn't feel like you're going over a whole bunch of mini mountains when you're mowing your lawn. And another video coming up is how to produce a live fence around your yard like this one. A lot of people put them in, a lot of people get it wrong. I'm going to show you how to start it and make it grow. There are a few more videos I'm working on, but I'll save those for a later day. For right now, thanks for watching Homeworks. Make sure you press the like and subscribe and share this video everywhere. Thanks. One of them is a complete fire... Alright, try this again.